Cody, what could this be? Does anybody else have a dog who's so spoiled that every time Amazon comes, he thinks it's for him? Bodhi, what could be in the package? Wait, what? Should we open it? Should we open it? Okay. Okay. Here, come over here. All right, stay. Stay. What is in the box? What's in the box? Oh my, wait. What is it? Is that a frog? Let me see. Can I have the frog? Does he have a squeaky? Let me see. No? Can I see it? Well, I was just looking for a squeaky, Bozy. I gave it to you. Oh, there it is. What? Do you like your frog? You like your frog? We're going to protect that side.